so here I'm looking up at the mask from underneath, and as you can see I've got the radius of the support area down to 1 millimeter. I've tried setting it lower to like 0.5, it won't go there. So I've tried just selecting a bit on the edge of the mask, and I get all this whole load of complicated support structure for some reason. I don't know quite why that's happening. So, you know, I need to remove all that. I really just want the outer edge of that. In fact, like bits like that little bit of support wouldn't be too bad. Let's move it around a bit more. This time I'm going to look at it directly underneath, so I'm looking straight up at it, and again I'm trying to select just the edge here, and yet I get all this other complicated structure along with it. So the question is, what's going on there? Is that a problem with the way it generates support, or is that a problem with the mask model itself? You know, what do I need to do differently to get that to work?